Far too kind. All right, we've got one more. I'm sure the people on the other side of the street will be thinking about that. But we may come back in 15 minutes because Act 2 is not here. All right, so we're going to do Sideswiped by Love and take a break, and then I don't know who's coming back. Maybe not. So this is a song I wrote. It is on one of the CDs. A weird one. One of the non-weird songs on the weird CD. And I got a weirder CD coming up. I'm working on it right now that nobody knows about. So it is really weird. Okay. So how are you doing? I'm good. All right, so this is called Sideswiped by Love. It's a true story.
Yellow lights are flashing.
This is the night my wife cheated on me. I'm not proud of that, but that's what happened. Slow breathing. When you got sideswiped by love, what can you do? When you get sideswiped by love, what can you do? When you get sideswiped by love, hit you right out of the blue. I know you didn't plan it, it just happened, you know. But there's no doubt about it, it still hurts me so. When you got sideswiped by love, when you got sideswiped by love, hit you right out of the blue. When you got sideswiped by love, seems so heaven sent. All right, the horses are here. When you got sideswiped by love, seems so heaven sent. When you got sideswiped by love, it always leads to tears. audience away from you as if we have. All right, we're going to take a short break and see who comes up next. I don't know yet.
Yes, we're gonna.
Okay, you better get some good pictures and videos.
Yes, ma'am.